Hey! We got a $1,000 mini too. That is a jackpot. Jackpot J Slots at Aria in Las Vegas. Going to play some Best Bet Lightning Link today. Last time we played this machine at this casino, we had that unbelievable free game jackpot. Re-triggers, bonuses, bonus and a bonus. We're going to try to relive that magic right now. We've talked about how hard this machine can be, so let's see if we can at least get away with a win. Hopefully we don't get run over at the racetrack today. Let's have some fun, and here we go. All right, we're ready to go. Let's go up top real quick. $103,913 big high limit grand jackpot and $8,782 major. Boy, would love to hit one of those. We got $3,000 in the machine. We're gonna start out 25 cents, $25 a spin. Looking for 6 of those trophy orbs. Horse is wild. That would have been a great start. $1,250 minor, which you can actually see up on the top of the screen. I think it's in the shop. Like the size of those orbs. 6 of them to party. By the way, this horseshoe dollar symbol, 3 of those or more for some free games. Easy peasy. All right, can we relive last time's magic? 10 spins coming up. 3 for a re-trigger. Come on, one more. Ooh, that was close. 230 bucks. Keep going. Another 200 bucks. Come on, we got to hit that 5th line. Five. One more. All right, 610 bucks. We'll certainly take that. Nice start. Gives us a little bit to play with. There, we needed you 2 a minute ago. All right, let's try it. Same bet, 50 cents, 25 bucks a spin. That was sort of an interesting free game. A bunch of decent hits, but no great ones. I mean, somebody must hit the major on this machine. Oh, just missed it. 2,500 would be nice. 1,250. Free game repeat. $180, not bad. I will say it is still very hot in Vegas, but there is a freezing cold draft coming on to me. I wish I had brought my long sleeve today. We need to heat it up. All right, let's go. $1. Oh, somebody hit a nice little jackpot there, that $1,000 mini. One more. Oh, snuck in on the end there. What do we got? $325 to start. We need that $1,000 mini. Well, they had the $1,000 mini. Let's get the $5,000 minor. Come on. Smack that major. Hey!
We got a $1,000 mini too. That is a jackpot. Another 250. Now the numbers are getting better. Oh, I saw 1250 right there too. All right, 2 more. Anybody want to bet? The grand's at 103,000. It just hit. But how about 1 more? Anytime we get a jackpot, I win on this game. Look at that. $1,800 jackpot. That's 2 wins in a row on this machine. It's a little quick, so we'll go play something else, but wow. Thank you, Mini. All right. We'll be right back. All right. From horses over to pigs, we're just spending the day on the farm. You can see we took our ticket, which includes the jackpot, over here to Rakin' Bacon. We're gonna go $5.28 a spin. We're just trying to, that's a very crunchy button there. There we go. Every time one of those hits, try to explode that pig. Nope. Guess that's the max volume. All right, here we go. People love this game. I have not really played it that much. $18. I figured this was a good time to try it, coming off that nice jackpot. $10 mini, $47 minor right now, $1,179 major. 1 more. I don't know if it's 3 in a row or 3 anywhere on the screen. I hope we find out. Come on, Piggy, you're struggling there. Let's burst you. Actually, there's 3 machines in this bank. All of them are pretty shaky. There we go. All right. Now we're going to pick 3. Actually, I'll show you right there. There's the grand, major, minor, and mini. All right. Pick 3. Let's go corners. That's a mini. That's a major. That's a grand. Uh-oh. 2 minis. 2 majors. That's a minor. That's a grand. And we won $11.57. Not what we were hoping for on a shaky. But let's keep going. See if we can get another one. Do it. That mini resets at $10, by the way. Woohoo! Boom! It's kind of a creepy look he's giving us here. Check this out. Yeah. That's scary, sir. Do it. That's an even creepier look. All right, he's getting big again. Let's get another bonus. 1 more bonus. Oh, okay, I guess the answer is they have to be in a row. That's a shame. $24. Boom! Just kidding. All right, $72 for those rings. That was fun. Let's do that again. How about a full screen of that guy? How much does that pay? Whoops, fast tap. Woohoo. Come on, one more bonus before we get out of here. The infamous one more. That mini's up to $12 now. We've fed it so much. How about a shaky and a major? Even that minor up to 49 bucks. But that major, $1,180 would be perfect. Tax-free, no waiting. Don't give up on us now. Do it. Oh. That would have been good. Ooh, that mini all the way up to $13 now. Just waiting for us. Come on, piggy. Shaky. Free gamey. Just kidding. Hit it. Can't get any bigger. He's off the screen. Come on. Let's do it. 21 bucks. Wish we had hit that last line there. Dug ourselves a little bit of a hole. Oh, so close. Sort of. Is 2 out of 3 so close? That's only 66 or 67%, which would be a D if it was a class. Come on, piggy. That minor now over $51. Mini's over 15. Throwing a lot of coins at this guy. Oh. Come on, full screen of that pig. Oh, right there. Uh-oh. An expensive little game we're playing here. Let's bust it loose. Big bonus time. Truth be told, I'm also slightly annoyed because in between coming over to this game, I stopped and ordered breakfast. It's just after 9 o'clock here. And I didn't think we'd be playing this long. Hopefully my food is not sitting there getting cold. Oh! $54 just for that. Imagine if we had caught something. And again, imagine if we hadn't lost 300 bucks. Come on. Another $36. So close to hitting 5 lines with that. Just move those over. Oh, man, you're killing me, Smalls. I kind of don't want to leave till we get that big bonus. Should we fast tap? 5 fast taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And didn't get it. What's it gonna take? And is it gonna be worth it? I got pancakes getting cold. Come on now. This is admittedly a little rude. Ah, again. All right, let's go. We're fast tap until we get something. He flinched on us. Ah, 2 of them. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna lose $1,000 on this stinking pig. You, sir, are rude. All right, well, if we're gonna do this, we're gonna go max bet. 880. Almost 10. Oh my gosh. That was a tease. Okay, I'm almost tempted to turn the other camera on just so you can see the annoyance on my face. Come on, give us that bonus. I'd like to point out we've put at least $1,000 through this machine since our last bonus. That mini up to $27. Oh my gosh! $303 hit. Is it gonna also burst him? And it did not burst him, but 4,400, we're not stopping. Because there's $28 of mini and $59 of minor. There we go. All right, here we go. We'll go corners again like last time. All right, one of each. All right, $59 minor. Well, 4,400. It's kind of a nice comeback from where we were a minute ago. I think we're going to stop there and go get breakfast. Hope you enjoyed. We'll recap both games. Nice win on the day. See you later.